Hi, in this video, I'll discuss about the order by statement. So how we can utilize the order by to your data need to be ascending and descending order. So here I will use the order by to apply the order on any specific column or more than one column. So let's see, I'm going to open the SQL server. So here I'm opening the SQL server. So this is the SQL server. Now I'm going to connect SQL server and now clicking on new query and then I will activate the database. So use training. Okay, run it. Now here I'm just showing the you data. So here I'm writing select a star from employee. Run it. So see here, here is my data. Now what I have to do here, I need to do total salary in ascending order. Okay. So my total salary will be in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to largest value. So you need to write here order by, here you need to mention the column name total salary and run it. So by default it will do ascending order. You can see here your data is in ascending order on the basis of total salary. All other column will be adjusted. You can see here all other column is adjusted now. Okay. Now you have to do same thing in descending order. So you need to write down the same query. So you need to write a select star from employee, and here I need to write order by total salary, and you need to mention here DESC. DESC means descending. So you have to run this. So see here, now your data is in descending order. So if I want to apply same ordering on department and salary, so I need to do department wise ascending and descending on total salary. So how we can do it? So you need to apply here select star from employee order by, and you have to mention here department. So I need to do department in ascending order. So you need to write here department, and here you need to write uh, ascending. You can write here. If you do not write, by default it will do ascending. So now second column you have to take in descending order. So you need to write here total salary, and here you need to write DESC. Now run this. So see here your data is in descending order. So you can see here department wise data is in descending order. So see here HR department data is in descending order. Now I'm moving on management department. So see here management data is in descending order. So department wise data is in descending order. So department is in ascending order, total salary is in descending order. Now I will do same things, same output I will take through the column number. So now, so whatever result I am getting through this query, same result I will get through the column number. So how we can do it? So you need to write here select star from employee order by. Now you have to count the column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you need to write here 8 number column. Now, whenever I will run this, then on the basis of total salary, your data will be in ascending order. So see here, your data is in ascending order. Now, I will do same data in descending order with column number. So you need to write here select star from employee, and you need to mention here order by, and here you need to write total salary. No need to write here total salary. You have to write down the column number and you have to mention descending. So you have to run it. Now your total salary will be in descending order. Okay. Now here on the basis of these two columns, I will do data in descending order with column numbers. So here I'm just writing select star from employee order by, and you need to mention here column number department. So 1, 2, 3. This is a column number, and after that you have to do total salary. Total salary should be 8 number column. So 8 number I'm writing, column number 8, and you have to mention here descending. So on the basis of column number, here I'm taking department wise descending order. Okay. So this is a way to apply the ordering. Okay. Now I will do descending order and ascending order on the basis of a specific column. Here I will mention the column name. I will not take here star. Okay. So suppose I need to do here I will take name, department and total salary. So you have to write here select name. Name is a first column, and department will be second column, and you have to take here total salary. Here I'm taking total salary, and from table name will be employee. Then you have to write here order. So if you want to do total salary in descending order or ascending order, you have to mention the column number 1, 2, 3. So you have to mention here column number 3 after order by. So you need to write here order by, and you have to mention here 3, and you need to write here descending. Okay, run it. Now you can see here your data is in descending order. Okay, so first is highest salary, second highest salary, third highest salary, in this way. Now I will do same thing in ascending order. So you have to remove it and you have to run it. Now you will get data in ascending order. You can see here. So you have to mention this column number on the basis of this sequence. Okay, so this is the way to apply the ordering on column on the basis of column number. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much.